Hey you, it's Kyla Lou and welcome back or welcome to my channel. I am so excited for this video because how many of us have gone to plan our content or shoot a video and we don't have a single idea? It's just a barren desert up there with some tumbleweeds blowing around. Also, these baby hairs, wow, they're having a moment. I should see every single person's hand raised, and if not, well, go try and film 4 TikToks a day and I'll see you back here in just a little bit.
Bruh.
But if you're stuck, here are 5 different ways to come up with content ideas for your TikTok videos. And obviously you can use this for Instagram and YouTube and just all of the content in general, but we just primarily focus on TikTok here on this channel. Now, I 100% believe in giving credit where credit is due, and I learned this amazing hack from Aaron Sogi. I really hope I'm doing his name justice, but I'll leave his socials up here on the screen. Make sure you go check him out on TikTok and his other channels. He really is a fantastic creator, and I learned this from him. And so when you're feeling stuck, just remember LMFAO. And no, I am not laughing my freaking ass off, but this acronym is going to be able to help you come up with content ideas. I mean, maybe you'll be laughing your ass off after this video because you won't be stressed anymore because you've got a ton of content ideas. The first letter L stands for lessons. What are some important lessons that you've learned either in life or in a particular field that you can share with other people? Let me give you an example. Hey guys, so from my time learning about social media and posting video content, contrary to popular belief, we shouldn't focus on growing the largest following possible, but instead we should focus on building and nurturing a community of real fans. You could also share lessons you've learned from a book you read recently, or maybe your favorite podcast episode. Maybe you attended a live event, or let's say you went out to brunch with your friends and you guys were talking and you learned some valuable lessons from your friends. So hop on video and share those lessons with your audience. The second letter M stands for myths. What are some common myths in your field that you can debunk? For example, as a retired professional ballroom dancer, yes, that is a very real thing. I'm not lying to you guys. I often heard the phrase, no pain, no gain. And while you do want to push yourself to see results, there is a very fine line between doing something that is hard and yet pushing yourself and experiencing real pain from injury. And so this was a big myth that I had to debunk while I was working through physical therapy in order to try and heal one of my injuries. The third letter is F, and that stands for frequently asked questions. Now, this one is a great one because you can hop on video and start answering some of those frequently asked questions that people have regarding your line of work. For example, let's say that you are an author, and a common question someone might have who also wants to become an author might be, how do you create an outline for your book that you want to write? Or what does a typical day in the life look like as a writer? Also, as you begin to grow your community, you may have people asking more questions in your comments section. So making videos, responding to those comments, I have a video here on my channel showing you guys exactly how to do that and respond to comments with a video on TikTok. You can go check it out, but that makes for some great content as well. Now, I'm not sure if you guys have this feature on TikTok, but TikTok actually will share viral questions with you that you could create a video response to. So if you're in need of some content ideas and one of those questions really stands out to you and you're like, yeah, I could answer that and that will help my audience connect to me better, then by all means, go ahead, answer those questions, make a video responding to it. And while that question is going to be a little bit more general, it will be fun for your audience to see your more personalized response. What letter am I on? The fourth letter A stands for analytics. And so if you need some content ideas, share some interesting numbers with your audience. For example, you guys are not gonna believe this insane number, but 55% of TikTokers use the platform to do research on brands and products. So if you're a small business owner who wants to scale your business, approach TikTok as a search engine to increase brand awareness and share your awesome products. That only took me 2 takes. Nice. And the last letter O stands for other creators. What are other content creators doing in your niche? Or if you do not have a defined niche, what are the creators out there who you just absolutely dig, you love their content, what are they doing? You can watch their content and gain some inspiration for your own. Now, whoa. Hold up there. Before you leave this video, the goal is not to copy. Please don't copy their content. But instead, the goal is to get an idea and model what's working. Let me show you an example. Okay, so I'm here on TikTok on my computer, and let's say I wanted to make videos about baking, or I was really passionate about baking and I wanted to grow my TikTok account. So I'm gonna go on here into TikTok and I'm just gonna search baking. Really general, and see what pops up. So this first video that shows up is the top recommended video for baking, and it's got 7.7 million views. That's a lot of views. So if I click on this video here, and I actually want to go to this lovely account, and so I can see right off the bat she has a lot of cooking videos. But what's really cool is here on desktop, I can go up here to this Chrome extension. It's free, you can add it into Chrome, and it's going to sort user videos by the most viewed. So I can see the most popular videos on this woman's account. So if I click start, it's gonna start to filter through all of her videos, and it's gonna pull the most popular ones up here at the top. So you can see this video, the one that's gotten the most views is 15.9 million views. That's crazy. So obviously she is doing something right. And the point is, as we go in and watch her video, we're not going to try and copy her, but see what's working, okay? So if we click on this here, she's got like this down, or I don't even know what that's called, up this view. Someone looking down on the food. So that's cool. Maybe you could look at doing some of that in your videos. I love that she's got like the candle in the video because it makes it feel very cozy and homey. I don't know if that is an intentional move or it just is there by accident, but I actually really like that. She's got things really nicely set up, and I don't know if she has a voiceover. Okay, so it sounds like she just has music, but if they're doing like a voiceover, maybe you look at experimenting with that, or if they're talking, you know, things like that, and you can go through and start to analyze what they're doing in their videos and maybe what is making theirs successful and what you could add into yours, but obviously still with your own twist, because we don't want to copy these creators. They're doing an amazing job, and we want you to focus on being the best you possible and not being someone else. So modeling, but not copying. So there you guys go. That is one strategy that you can use when you are stuck and have no ideas for content. Just remember, LMFAO. If you guys found any value in this video, please consider liking and subscribing because it really does help support my channel so much. I love you guys, and thank you so much for taking your time to watch my content, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes. 'Cause I've been living life right like I